Welcome back to our 5th standard science online class, my dear students. In the previous class, we completed growing plants from roots, growing plants from stems, and growing plants from leaves. Today, in this session, we are going to learn about agriculture. Dear students, take page number 16 in your science book. Let's start. Agriculture. What is agriculture? The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other purposes is called agriculture. Next, what is crops? Look at the picture. What is crops? Crop is a plant. Plants that are grown in large quantities in a particular area during a particular season are called crops. Crops are grown in large quantities in a particular area during a particular season for food purposes. Next, what are the things essential for growing crops? Do you know what are the things necessary for growing crops? Crops need water and nutrients. Where the crops get nutrients? Where the crops get nutrients? The crops get nutrients from manures and fertilizers. What is the use of manures and fertilizer? Manure and fertilizer improve the fertility and crop production. Manure and fertilizer improve the fertility of the soil and to improve the crop production. Fertilizers are specific in their action and provide one or more particular nutrients, whereas manures generally improve soil fertility by increasing humus content. Manures improve the humus content of the soil. What's the meaning of the term humus? Humus is a substance made from dead leaves and plants. What is nutrient? Nutrient is a substance that is needed to keep a living thing alive and to help it to grow. Next, crops need protection from birds, insects, rats, and pests before and after harvesting. What is the meaning of the term pesticides? Do you know what is pesticides? Pesticide is a chemical used to kill pests and to protect the crops. Look at the picture. This is a scarecrow. The farmer also use another method to protect the crop. Farmers also use scarecrows. Look at the picture. This is a scarecrows. What's the meaning of the term scarecrows? Scarecrows is a very simple model of a person that is put in a field to frighten away the birds. Scarecrows to scare away birds from fields where crops are grown. In this way, farmers to protect the crops. Next, take page number 17. Stages of agriculture. What are the steps involved in the stages of agriculture? First, the field is ploughed. Refer page number 17 in your science book. Look at the picture. First one, the field is ploughed. What is ploughing? Ploughing is the process of loosening the soil. In the first stage of agriculture, the soil is loosened. In second stage, manure or fertilizer are added to the soil. In the second stage of agriculture, manure or fertilizers are added to the soil. What is the purpose of adding manure and fertilizer? Manure and fertilizer improve the fertility of the soil. In the third stage of the agriculture, the seeds are sown. Third stage of the agriculture, the seeds are sown. The seeds means the healthy seeds. Healthy seeds are sown or scattering. Next, fourth stage of agriculture is the crops are irrigated. What is the meaning of the term irrigated? Irrigated means watering. Next, fifth stage of agriculture is the crops are sprayed with chemicals called pesticides. The crops are sprayed with pesticides. What is pesticides? Pesticides is a chemical used to protect the crops from pest. Next, last stage of agriculture is the crops are harvested. After the crops are matured, the crops are harvested or picked or gathered. Next, the harvested crops are stored. These are the stages of agriculture. Understand? Take page number 18. Look at the picture. This is a terrace farming or step farming. In hilly regions, people grow crops by cutting steps into the mountainside. This is known as step farming. What is step farming? In hilly regions, people grow crops by cutting steps into the mountainside is called step farming or terrace farming. A particular crops may grow well in one season and may not grow that well in another season. Why? Why the farmers grow different crops in different season? Because a particular crop may grow well in one season and may not grow well in another season. So the farmers grow different crops in different season. Based on the season, crops are divided into two types. What are the two types of crops? Based on the seasons. Crops are divided into two types. What are they? Kharif crops and rabi crops. What are the two types of crops? In India, crops grown from June to October are known as Kharif crops. What is Kharif crops? Crops grown from June to October are known as Kharif crops. These crops depend largely on the monsoon rains. Examples rice and maize. Next, what is rabi crops? Crops grown from November to April are called rabi crops. These crops do not depend on the monsoon rains. Kharif crops depend on the monsoon rains. Rabi crops do not depend on the monsoon rains. Examples of rabi crops are wheat and legumes. What are the two types of crops? Kharif crops and rabi crops. Dear students, today we completed lesson 1. Write down the homework, read lesson 1 fully. Thank you, dears.